Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 18. So we are now on Unit 2, Life in the Past. Lesson 1, Vocabulary. Activity 1, look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. There is one example. So number 1, a picture or painting of a person. So it's called portrait. Number 2, very, very cold. So it's just like freezer. So freezing. And then number 3, someone who works for another person in their house. So it's maybe your, or usually you all call kakak, so it's called servant. So this is servant. And then number 4, to put something in the ground and cover it. So this is bury. So it's this one. B-U-R-Y. Bury. And then number 5, a building or room where people work. So this is called office. O-F-F-I-C-E. And then number 6, a person who works in the army. So it's called soldier. So S-O-L-D-I-E-R. So it's not D-E-I-R. Number 7. Okay, number 7, something that is yours. It belongs to you. So number 7 is called possession. P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-O-N. So there are around 4 S here. Possession. Make sure you spell it correctly. And then number 8, to make something by putting parts and materials together. So to make something is to build. So build. And then number 9, to use a tool to make a hole in the ground. So this is called dig. D-I-G. And then number 10, to be destroyed by fire. So something related to fire is burn. So burn down. And then let's go to activity 2 here. Activity 2, complete the text with the words from activity 1. So I am a soldier in the King's Army. Yesterday, I woke up early in the morning. The weather was very cold. It was freezing. Outside, I got up and called mine to bring breakfast. So usually this is servant. Suddenly, I heard someone shout, "Fire!" I looked out of the window. There was a huge fire in the streets. The houses near us were going to burn down. So this is P-U-R-N. Burn down. Soon we may need to new houses. So this is to build. To build new houses. I went to mine and found my favorite. So this should be a location. So it's office. I went to my office and found my favorite portrait. No, this is supposed to be possession here. So, and found my favorite possession. So this is Possession. So it was a small portrait of my wife. So this is portrait. I went outside to the garden to dig a hole. So you need to make a hole, so it's dig. I had to bury the portrait to save it from the fire. So this is bury. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook. We are on page 18. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And you can also watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my diagram board that I developed.